Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we have a sort of a week vlog, I guess. So we picked up something earlier this week that you're gonna see first, and now we are gonna remove the interior. So yeah, let's pick up the part first and then we continue with the interior. So we are on our way to Germany to pick up a new part, a special one. After a lot of searching, I finally someone approached me saying he got a LESTER wing. So I was hyped at the beginning, but then he said it was unused. So we are gonna pick up a new, used LESTER wing. Finally, the right wing I've been looking for so long. It's a 3-hour drive to pick it up, but anything was worth it to get that wing. So yeah, we are still in the Netherlands. Hopefully in Germany we get some autobahn so we can stretch the legs. And then we are gonna pick up the wing. So exciting. See you guys in Germany. So we secured the bag. We finally got a LESTER wing. The guy was really nice who sold it to me. We're still in Germany, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna get the wing painted as soon as possible because I can't wait anymore. This car needs a wing so bad, and now I finally got the one I was looking for. So yeah, now we got a 3-hour drive back home again. Or just a 3-hour drive again. Now this time we're going home with a LESTER wing, so I'm so stoked. I can't tell you how happy I am. And yeah, let's go home. So it's now later in the week. Last video I sort of told you guys I was gonna remove the interior, but that ended up not happening. So today we are actually gonna remove the interior. Not the complete interior. If you see my last couple of videos, you know I have removed the back seats and got in a cage. I still have the floor mats, but on the in the boot I still have the full interior. So that's what we are gonna remove. As you can see, I'm probably gonna move this fire extinguisher up to the cockpit, so beneath the passenger seat. Also, we got this subwoofer, or how do you call it in English? I don't know. It's a sound installation that we are gonna remove, and of course this. I'm also probably gonna remove this bucket of, I don't know, bottles, towing cable. Of course, tie rips, because E36, everything is gonna go flying off. Also this, yeah, I'm not sure about these ones. We'll just have to see. First things first, and that's the sound installation that we need to remove. So we need to disconnect the battery. Okay, so we disconnected the battery. Now we just need to wait to see what cables are, what cables run there. I know this red one is running to the battery, right there, but I don't know where the minus one is, or is running, so we'll have to see. I see 2 cables here. Actually have to see where that one goes, but yeah, I think we just need to get this one out first. We got it loose. What cables is it connected to? Oh, it's a mess. I think we're going to start with this side. I removed it once before. Ooh, it's dusty. So I started removing the interior pieces so we can uncover the wires that are coming through this son of a bitch. Yeah, so I still need to remove this one and that one. It shouldn't be hard. You can just rip it out, no problem. There are a lot of wires that I just need to figure out where they are going. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna rip it all out at first so we have a good overview of what is where and why, and we can go from there. Yeah. Okay, there's some sort of box. FWX. I don't know. Maybe it's sure has to do something with the sound installation. All we need to do now is remove the bottom piece. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see the camera, but there are a lot of wires here in a dusty old box. Ugh, there's something sticky underneath this. As you can tell, there is a lot of gunk there that we need to remove, and it's so dusty. I also need to clean it very bad because now it looks like a shit car, but once we get it all cleaned up, it should look good. I also need to remove these ones. These are sort of sound insulation, and then yeah, we'll just have to see where all these wires go. I think these are connected to the sound insulation that run through here. So it's those two. So it's that box, that one, and then in the door panels there are one or two. But they are gonna come out as well, so not right now, but in the future. So we can disconnect those and do that later. But yeah. All we need to do now is just remove these ones, clean up the the gunk, some sticker remover I guess, and yeah, remove this one. This will be the hardest task. Okay, so I got the plastic plate loose. Now we can reach it very easily. Yep, there it is, the negative bolt. We'll just have to see what bolt fits in there. First time. Yes, we got it right the first time. So yeah, just loosen that and the it can come out, I think. Yeah. Okay, so we got the power wires off. What I still got is this black wire. And we got these green and goldish wires and the red and the black, so you can see, you can trace them going up. Yeah, they split off here. So we got the first speaker there, running all the way to the second speaker. There are two of these boxes, one over here and one on the left. They are to control the sound, I think so. Okay, so it's day 2 doing the interior. Yesterday I got a lot of things out. As you can see, you saw in the last video, all sorts of stuff. What I'm doing now is the sound installation. That's probably the last thing, and remove the gunk, and yeah, then everything will be out. So let's continue there. So this heavy thing can finally come out. Ugh. Okay, so we got the sound installation out. I still have this cable. I removed those mats, so you can see it's going to the front. We still got that speaker left and those cables that go to the front. But I think I'm gonna clean first because it's a mess and I can't really work in a dirty environment, so I'm gonna clean it first.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, we still got 2 wires left. The one here is gone, but I did some cleaning already. But now we are gonna remove the gunk, the sticky black stuff. So I got the heat gun and a sticker remover, and that should do the job. So let's get started on that. So after some cleaning and stuff, I think I'm pretty satisfied with the result. The only thing we have left is this gunk that I still need to remove, but I don't feel like doing that today. It took a lot of work to get this little bit off, so I'll do that off camera. I need to still clean the rear bench, but I can't really reach that right now because it's in the garage. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy. What I think I'm gonna do is weigh myself and then pick up all the pieces and see how much weight we actually saved. I think that's interesting. Also the cables, they are tucked away for now, but they will be removed. But I'll do that off camera because it's boring, I think. So yeah, let's start weighing the parts. Okay, I set up the camera here. What we are gonna do now is weigh every part. So first I'm gonna weigh myself. 65.2. And yeah, we're just gonna subtract it from everything. So we are gonna start with the 69.4, the bucket of spare parts, tie rips, everything. 68.2. The outer liners, 66.7, 69.3, almost as heavy as the sound box, 67.8, 67.3, the lightest, 66.5, 66 point. Okay. Ooh. 69.5. So that's also one of the heaviest objects. That's a lot of weight saving, I can tell you that. Let me calculate it real quick. So we saved a total of 24 kilograms. That's more than I expected. I expected like 15 maybe. So that's a pretty good weight saving. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. Yeah, that was a video, guys. As you can see, I need to still clean up all this mess. But yeah, I'll save you that. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just fun removing the interior. So we saved a lot of weight. Probably increased the driver experience because of the sound that it's gonna make. I'm also gonna upload a POV video so you can really experience what it's like right now without the interior in the rear. So it's gonna make a little bit more noise. So yeah, we've got the spoiler installation coming up that still needs to get painted and drilled into the boot, but you're also probably gonna see that because it's a very exciting mod that this car needed for a long time. Also, I was planning to go to Zolder in about 2 weeks, but that's got cancelled because of the world situation. So yeah, we'll just have to figure something out to do in the meantime. But I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.